If I had a nickel for every figure I had based off an unreleased version of G2 Jazz, I'd have 2 nickels, which isn't a lot, but it's weird that it happened twice. Today we are looking at Legacy Evolution Toxitron Collection G2 Universe Laser Cycle. Based off an unreleased repaint of G2 Road Rocket, this deluxe class bot is, well, a repaint of Legacy G2 Road Rocket. Funny how that works. Released in 2023, this deluxe class Autobot is a Walmart exclusive and represents a version of G2 Jazz that would have been part of the Laser Cycle line. G2 was cancelled before these could go into the market, but a few samples managed to squeak their way out. On this figure, Hasbro probably changed the name to avoid confusion with the other unreleased G2 Jazz they did for the line. Articulation-wise, this bot isn't too bad, but the way the waist is set up is weird. He can bend back quite a ways, but despite the ball joint that allows this, waist rotation isn't really a thing. Color-wise though, this bot is an amazing recreation of the original unreleased figure, and that head sculpt really sells the ninja name that these guys went under in European markets. For accessories, he comes with a pair of translucent bits that can form a sort of shield throwing star. These can attach to ports in the arms or be handheld. This setup kinda reminds me of the weapon from Energon Buzzsaw back in the day. That being said, I do worry about the translucent plastic here. Anyway, the back wheel can also be detached to form a sort of drone-like entity, or handheld weapon. This adds another layer of playability, so while an odd inclusion, it's certainly a welcome one in my book. I'm just not sure what the handheld version is supposed to be. Blade weapon, ninja star generator, pitching machine? I don't know. What I do know is that you can attach it to the back and have the wheels pop up behind the shoulders, very similar to the original. Transformation is a process. There is a lot going on here and it all feels very fiddly. I don't hate it, but I'm not sure I'd say I enjoyed it though. It is a unique setup though. I don't think I've ever transformed anything quite like this. Though I almost wonder if there's a reason for that. Can't argue with the results though. Once you're all set up, you have Jazz, or Laser Cycle, in his motorcycle form. This is loosely based off the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-7R, at least according to the TF Wiki. All I know myself is that, well, it looks pretty darn cool. I've always had a soft spot for modern ninja bikes, and this certainly fits the bill. I also really like how all the colors work on this guy. That bright green on it really pops, and the white to yellow gradient is just so nice. I do wish the wheels turned a bit better and that the star weapon had better storage. As it is, it can only really go on the back like this, or attached to the seat. Overall, this example of the Legacy RC mold does have the issues people have been warning me about, but the G2-ness of it makes up for those shortcomings, at least a little bit. To me. Maybe not to you.